Hello students, today I'll be teaching you how to use mobile wallet on your laptop. So firstly, the mobile wallet topic comes under the topic mobile banking. And first you need to know what mobile wallet is. So the mobile wallet is a way to carry your credit card and debit card information in a secure digital form on your mobile device. So mobile wallet is basically an online payment system which enables user to make payments with electronic devices. Electronics devices using such as tablets, smartphone, smartwatch, etc. Okay. So for making the payment online, you need to add the payment method, just like adding your credit card details. Okay. So after adding your credit card and debit card details, all the transactions are secure. Secured using fingerprints and passcodes. And there are the several digital platforms which are right now available at the market, such as Google Pay, Paytm, PayPal, PhonePe, etc. Okay, for today's video I'll be covering Paytm, how to transfer money, how to add money, and how to do recharge. Okay, so as I was talking about Google Pay, so in the previous videos I have shown you how to log in into a Google account. So here is my Google account right now. So I have already been logged. So now just go to this tab here and go to the settings for adding your payment methods. As you can see on the settings, there are several fields here. Just go to the autofill and you can see here is the payment method. So just click on it. So you can add the debit card or credit card details here. Just by clicking add, you can add a credit card details. Okay. So right now I have already entered this card details. So let's not do this. This is why, because let's say that there are 5 different websites from which you want to purchase something or make payment. So on 5 different websites, we will have to enter the details of your card. But once you have logged in with the Google Pay account, what happens is that you can save the card details at one place in Google account, and once the details are saved, you can use the same detail for any purchase in any website. Okay, so instead of repeating the process, you can save it once in the Google payment setting. So as you can see, this is the Paytm homepage. Here I have already logged in. So how I logged in into the web, into the laptop is, firstly I'd, I'd gone to the sign in part, and after that a QR code generates. And in your phone you also have to log in into Paytm account, and there you have to just scan the QR, uh, just scan the QR code available in your screen desktop. Okay, so let me show you how to log in. Let me log out first and then show you. So right now I'm logging out. So to log in, go just click here and the QR code will be available. So you have to open the Paytm from your mobile phone and scan the QR code. Okay, so right now I'm scanning. So as you can see, the login process has been completed. Okay, so this is how you log in. So after that, you can see here you have zero balance in Paytm. Okay, so to add the money on wallet, just click here, add money to wallet. So add money to Paytm wallet. Just enter the amount and click add money button. So it will ask you for your debit card details. Okay, so I will just enter my card number here, 5103 7202 3749 9494. Okay, after that expiry month is 06/23. So this is how you register your credit card or debit card in any mobile banking website. Okay, so I'll just click here pay. So one OTP will come in my phone, so I'll enter it and the process will be completed. Okay, so right now I will not show you this. Okay, so I will show you how to, so this is how you enter the credit card or debit card detail and how you transfer the your money from the bank to the Paytm wallet. Okay, so let's just go back to the Paytm home page. So now I'll show you how to do online recharge. You can even pay the bills of your electricity, you can even recharge your DTH cables, you can even book a metro, you can even pay the bills of landline, and many other options are available right here. You can even buy golds and everything. Okay, so here are the all the options available. So today I'll be showing you how to recharge your mobile. So just click on the mobile prepaid here. So on this section just type your mobile number, then select the operator and the circle from where the state it belongs. So the enter the amount. So in this part I have many options, just like to view from here. So here are popular recharge, popular packs. So these are the special recharge, so these are top ups, and these are the data packs. So let's say if I want to recharge with 16 rupees, which is 1 GB data valid for 24 hours. So just click here. Okay, I'll be selecting 16, so it is already filled the amount field. So let's click to proceed to recharge. So it's processing right now. So here is the button proceed to pay 16. So just continue here by clicking over here. So it will take us to the transaction page. So here you can, if you have the Paytm balance, so just click over here. Since I have no Paytm balance, you don't have enough Paytm balance for this payment, so I can just pay through the debit card. Okay, so just click here pay. So here I will receive a message on my phone. So if I want to continue with this transaction or mobile recharge, so I'll just click agree on my phone. So let's not do this part right here again. So you can even have coupons. Okay, so coupons are the rewards which you get by several transactions or several payments. Okay, so you can even shop using Paytm. Let me show you guys. So here search for products or any brands. So let's say if you want to buy a mask, just click on the mask, then it will show you the several options. So if you want to buy any mask, let's say this one, just click over here and so buy, click on buy button. So it will take you to the next payment page. I guess since this quarantine all the e-commerce websites are down, so the I can show you that process. So I hope you guys know how to recharge your phones and how to order or something, on how to transfer your money to your friends. Okay, so hope you guys understood. Thank you.